Hi everyone, welcome back to English Step by Step. Today we're diving into passive voice in all its tenses. Let's get started. First, what is the passive voice? It's when the subject of the sentence is the receiver of the action, rather than the doer. For example, active, the chef cooked the meal. Passive, the meal was cooked by the chef. In the passive voice, we focus on the action or the receiver, rather than the doer. Now, let's explore the passive voice. Pay close attention to the structure. Form: subject plus appropriate form of be plus past participle. Let's break it down. Present simple: active, people recycle paper. Passive, paper is recycled. Present continuous: active, they are building a house. A house is being built. Past simple: active, she wrote the report. Passive, the report was written. Past continuous: active, they were cleaning the room. Passive, the room was being cleaned. Future simple: active, he will finish the project. Passive, the project will be finished. Present perfect: active, they have repaired the car. Passive, the car has been repaired. Past perfect: active, she had completed the task. Passive, the task had been completed. Future perfect: active, he will have delivered the package. Passive, the package will have been delivered. Let's quickly recap the most common ones. Present simple: the letters are delivered every day. Past simple: the cake was baked yesterday. Future simple: the results will be announced soon. Now it's your turn. Try converting these active sentences into the passive voice. Pause the video and give it a go. 1. They plant trees in the park. 2. She is reading a novel. 3. The team will complete the project. Here are the answers. 1. Trees are planted in the park. 2. A novel is being read. 3. The project will be completed. How did you do? Let me know in the comments below. Here's a summary of the active and passive tenses. Do pause the video to take a screenshot. That's all for today's lesson. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.